Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I've tried making this video 7 times now and I keep getting interrupted. Let's hope that this is a good one. I can do it. Let's find out. So, hope you're having a great day. I want to go over a little pet peeve I have with you. So I'm working on this Hyundai Santa Fe, I believe it's a 2007, and I'm replacing the coils. And I got a mix of coils, all from the same place, I won't say who. As you can see, EBC 1024. One's made in China, one's made in Poland. The ones made in Poland have a beautiful number on top. Ones made in China do not, nothing. Now, the ones from Poland are actually a much better construction. The rubber boot is a nice pliable boot. It feels very good, very silicone-ish feeling. The Chinese one is very stiff, just cheap rubber feeling. And just the overall general quality of the part. It's actually kind of amazing. And I hate that. I hate when you order parts. I won't say the name of the company. I hate when you order parts and you get multiple parts and they're different. Same part, but from different manufacturers, from different countries or whatever. It just makes me mental. It's like they can't possibly be the same. I'm sure if I put a ohm meter on it, I'd probably wind up with different resistance readings. I'm going to do that next time. I got to get this car done. But anyway, I just wanted to go over my little pet peeve with you. What do you guys think? Do you mind when you get different parts or the same part from different manufacturers? I wouldn't care if they were all from Poland or all from China. Whatever. I just got to get the car done. But it kind of bothers me when I got a mixed match of parts from different vendors, different companies, whatever. All in the same type of box. I mean, the boxes are even different, completely different boxes. Anyway, that's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.